At this moment, multiple CAR T-cell trials are going on. Some of them are phase 1-2, some are already in phase 3. So some of these CAR T trials are now testing new concepts. So some of them are evaluating fully human or humanized CAR constructs, at least when it comes to the antigen binding domain. There is also an interesting trial going on evaluating BB21217, which is a protocol in which CAR T cells are being manufactured in the presence of a PI3 kinase inhibitor, and that results in enrichment of T cells with an early memory signature, and that probably results in a better persistence and better activity over the long term. And then we have, I think, an interesting trial in the United States and hopefully also in Europe, in which the LCAR from Janssen is being evaluated in a more extensively pretreated population than was evaluated in China with the same product. And the good thing about all these very interesting and important trials is that they show efficacy and with an acceptable safety signal, and that results in the evaluation of these CAR T cells in earlier lines of therapy. And we have now already ongoing the KarMMa-3 trial that is evaluating the BB2121 CAR T cells in patients with relatively early relapse, and it is compared with standard of care combinations. So I think it's a good thing that the CAR T cells are moving forward to earlier lines of therapy, because probably also the T cell fitness in earlier lines of therapy is better, and that may also translate into a higher activity and a better duration of the response.